Welcome to Top Rated. Ten Best Voltage Converter Transformers of 2025. Top 1. Street 10,000 Heavy Duty Voltage Transformer Voltage Converter 110V to 220V Step Up Down Transformer Voltage Converter. Product specifications: output voltage 110V, voltage regulation speed 1 second, when the input voltage changes 10%, frequency 50 Hz per 60 Hz, current 9A. To convert 110 volts to 220 volts, make sure the appliance to be plugged in uses fewer watts than the transformer's rating. Insert the voltage tap plug, located on the rear of the transformer, into the pair of holes marked 110. Plug the transformer's power cord into a source of 110 volts. 220 volts will be available at the front panel outlet marked 220 volts when the power switch is turned on. To convert 220 volts to 110 volts, make sure the appliance to be plugged in uses fewer watts than the transformer's rating. Insert the voltage tap plug, located on the rear of the transformer, into the pair of holes corresponding to the local voltage standard. Check carefully to be sure no error has been made. Reminder: the power of this transformer must be 2.5 times that of the buyer's electrical appliance to be used normally. Top 2. Yinleader 5000 WPRO Voltage Transformer Converter Step Up Down AC 110V/120V to 220V/240V or 220V/240V to 110V/120V, power converter with US standard power cord, circuit breaker protection. 5000 WPRO Voltage Transformer Converter. For the use of high power or continuous use of electrical appliances such as air conditioners, hardwired connections are supported for use. Wherever you can use our power converter for most home appliances, such as coffee machine, kettle, rice cooker, refrigerator, etc. Note: the transformer only converts the voltage, not the frequency Hz. If your appliance is not compatible with 50/60 Hz, it will have an effect on the usage effect. When using appliances with power of more than 2000 W, please use AC1, AC2 interface at the lower end of the back of the transformer, as the input port must be used with hardwired connections. AC outputs: 3 US standard socket for 110-120V appliance, S, and 3 universal sockets accept all types of plugs except the Big South African plug for 220-240V appliance, S. The transformer can be used in countries which voltage are 90V to 125V or 180V to 250V such as US, EUR, UK, JP and more. Our universal sockets are larger, and if you use EU plugs, especially Type C, will be loose and need an adapter head such as EU to UK plug adapter. Top 3. T-Series 3000 plus watt voltage converter transformer, step up down, 110V to 220V/220V to 110V power converter, circuit breaker, protection, CE certified 3 years warranty. Up to 3000 watt maximum capacity, step up down, voltage converter transformer. Heavy duty step up down, 220V to 110V, converter, 110V to 220V converter. Please note, this converter is designed only for European Asian 220V, single phase. It will not work with American 220, dual phase, not designed for US 220V. This transformer device makes no noise while in use, a completely silent and easy to use, and it does not take a lot of space. This voltage converter transformer has new efficient toroidal transformer technology to ensure efficiency. It is 20% lighter than traditional transformers. Weight: 15 pounds. Dimensions: 13.5 inches x 10.25 inches x 6.5 inches. This voltage converter transformer has dual circuit breakers protection for each voltage, 120V and 220V. Our units are CE certified. Top 4. 3000 watt Japan voltage converter transformer step up down, 100V to 120V/120V to 100V Japanese power converter, fully grounded cord CE certified. This 3000W step-up transformer efficiently converts 100V to 120V for Japanese devices in the US and 120V to 100V for US devices in Japan, making it an excellent Japan voltage converter. Equipped with a built-in fuse, this step-up-down transformer ensures protection by cutting off current during overloads, safeguarding both your appliances and the transformer. Designed to be compact and lightweight, this transformer is a versatile choice for both home use and travel, functioning seamlessly as a step-up transformer and step-down transformer. Ensure smooth operation by selecting the appropriate wattage, with compatibility for devices rated up to 3000W, making it a dependable Japan voltage converter for various applications. Top 5. 5000 watt voltage converter transformer, heavy duty step up down convert from 110 to 120 volt to 220 to 240 volt and from 220 to 240 volt to 110 to 120 volt, circuit breaker protection. 5000 watt step up down voltage transformer converter. Step up voltage from 110 to 120 volts to 220 to 240 volts. Step down voltage from 220 to 240 volts to 110 to 120 volts. The voltage transformer has 100% loading capacity. Simultaneous 3-mode output, 110-120V USA output socket / 220-240V, universal output socket. The core components of the transformer are made of environmentally friendly materials. It is odorless and noise-free. Metal casing, 2 circuit breakers, full range fuse protection, full range overcurrent protection. What you get, a 5000 watts voltage transformer with US standard plug, a manual, 1-year manufacturer's limited warranty. Top 6. 4000 watt voltage converter transformer heavy duty step up down power converter 220V to 110V, 110V to 220V with 3 US outlets, 3 universal outlets, LCD display, circuit breaker protection. 4000W voltage transformer converter. The step-up auto transformer offers a reliable and easy solution for changing voltage. Step-up voltage from 100 to 120 volts to 220 to 240 volts. Step-down voltage from 220 to 240 volts to 100 to 120 volts. 3 US sockets and 3 universal sockets. 3 US standard socket for 110-120V appliance, S. 3 universal sockets accept all types of plugs except the big South African plug for 220-240V appliance, S. Please make sure all appliances power within converter rated power. Auto transformer, no need to select input voltage power source. This ultimate upgraded voltage transformer has no input voltage power source select. It identifies your input voltage power source automatically and then provide the correct output power, which can avoid damaging your converter and appliances when forget to select correct power input source. Top 7. LVYUAN Heavy Duty 5000W Watt Voltage Transformer Converter Step Up Down Converter 110 120th volt 220 240th volt with 3 US, 2 European, 1 universal outlets and CE certified, circuit break protection. Enjoy worldwide compatibility. 5000 watts heavy duty step up down voltage transformer converter. Step up voltage from 110 to 120 volts to 220 to 240 volts. Step down voltage from 220 to 240 volts to 110 to 120 volts. Except for the big South African plug. The transformer can be used in countries which voltage are 90V to 125V or 180V to 250V such as US, EU, UK, JP and more. Efficient and energy saving. Its built-in high-performance toroidal transformer with stable output and low consumption makes it efficient and energy-saving. Plus, with no noise function, you can enjoy a peaceful and quiet experience. Shipping is available to all overseas, military APO FPO DPO addresses. Protect your appliances. The voltage transformer converter can be used with any kind of appliance or device, such as rice cookers, hot water pots, household food mixers. Ideal for computers and electronics. Top 8. Sunshine 3000W Step-Up Voltage Converter Transformer 110V to 220V Converter Household 120V to 240 Step-Up Transformer for European Asian appliances used in US with voltage display. Step-Up Converter 110V to 220V. The voltage converter converts voltage from 110V 120V to 220V 240V. Perfect for appliance from European, Chinese, HK, Japanese household used in USA, Canada, Mexico. Step-up transformer use range. The voltage transformer is perfect for kinds of 220V to 240V appliances, such as rice cooker, blender, mixer, toaster, robot vacuum and so on. 3000W step-up transformer. The power transformer is rated at 3000W, but we make maximum continuous power rating of 2400W for safety reason. Please ensure your device's power does not exceed 2400W. Safe and upgraded. CNC QC certified. Built-in short circuit, overload protection and with voltage display screen, you could read the input voltage before you start the converter. Also the voltage works quietly and compactly, does not produce noise. Top 9. Sunshine 5000W Step-Up Down Voltage Converter Transformer 110V to 220V or 220V to 110V Voltage Converter with display, 3 US, and 3 universal outlets, circuit breaker protection. 5000W Step-Up/Step-Down Voltage Transformer. This step-up-down voltage transformer allows you to safely step up voltage from 100-120V, USA Canada, to 220-240V, Europe Asia, and step down voltage from 220-240V to 100V 110V, providing a seamless solution for using appliances across regions. Voltage transformer converter use range. The voltage transformer converter can be used with any kind of appliance or device, such as rice cookers, hot water pots, household food mixers, blenders with the maximum power consumption, MPC, within 3500 watts. 6 AC output sockets. 3 US standard sockets, 100-120V, for your American appliances. 3 universal sockets, 220-240V, support most international plugs except large South African plugs. Please ensure all appliances stay within the converter rated power capacity for safe operation. Top 10. Voltage and frequency converter and transformer, step down 220V 50Hz to 120V 60Hz, continuous power, smart protection features, pure sine wave output, powers Schanger X21. Use USA kitchen appliances, power tools, coffee machines, treadmills, cold plunge tubs, and audio systems anywhere in the world. Take all your stuff with you when moving overseas. Maximum output current, 21.8 amp. Your application power requirement should not exceed maximum output current, input range and frequency, 180 VAC, 285 VAC. 50 Hz or 60 Hz. Output, 100V 110V 115V 120V, selectable, output frequency, 50 Hz or 60 Hz, selectable, capacity, 2600 VA/2340W. Thanks for watching, please like and share and subscribe our channel.